just sitting here toying with bolts, because that's what I do. I just toy with bolts all day. Anyway, I was going to put the new rubber pieces on this battery box, and I found something that I just thought was funny. Anyway, I got I got this in the mail, along with a bunch of other bolts, by the way. And this is the new bolt to go on the battery box door. See, it's brand new hardware. But I'll show you the funny part in a minute. This goes on here. Look at that. It's a shiny new bolt. See how nice this is? Well, see that right there? That's rubber. And I'll show you the problem. I think that's not it. This is fender setting. I think that wasn't supposed to be powder coated and baked on. This is supposed to be on there. Nice and rubbery. So I might have a problem. I might just screw this up and send it back to be powder coated. Because I forgot to take the damn thing off. I'm going to see if it's going to scratch it. I don't know. It's, I'll show you. Let me put this down here. See? It's very nice. Beautiful job, but is it powder coated underneath? Nope. I gotta figure out how to get this off there now without busting it, because this is hard as a rock. I mean, I could leave it there, but this little fiddle daddle goes on the top here, I think. Battery box. There's another one that goes up here, but that's supposed to be. Maybe I'm being anal retentive, but I want new ones on there. I want this on there, nice and soft. This is baked on. I don't think I can get it off there. And if I have to get it repowder coated, I will. Because that's what kind of weirdo I am. Come on. Get this off there. I don't know if this is going to bend it or what. Come on, move on a little. Let's see. There we go. Come on, get out of there. Get off there. There we go. Right through the hole. I don't think it's going to be a problem. Yeah, see? That's going to rust right there. Because we forgot to take these off. I'm getting it redone. I know. I'm bad. I just wrecked the powder coating right here, too. So, yeah. I forgot to take the rubber piece off. Come on, get in there. Get in there. Yeah, this one too is kajonky. It's a bit janky now, see? It would have been perfect. This thing looks abso-freaking-lutely beautiful. And right there's toast. So, all because I forgot to take the rubber off, and so did he. Both of our, not his fault, it's my fault. So yeah, let's put the bolt back in the bag and baked, not fried. So I was excited about put that on the bike. I have, believe it or not, let's put that back in there. Should probably put that other bolt he gave me on there. Where'd it go? Where did I put it? this in there. That's the real. Where did I put that other blue black bolt head? Where'd it go? I just had it. This one, I'll put this back on here. So I powder coat it. Maybe I'm a little too anal retentive, but if I'm gonna do one bike really nice, I'm gonna do it really nice. And that I want fixed. Hey, it is what it is. But I have the pieces here. I have it. That's not gonna rush it. This is all for the battery box. And there's some that say fender setting. There's rubber here, 2 rubber pieces here. I think there's a grommet for the bottom part. And I wish I could show you, but that's pretty much it. That's all I got for this week. There's not much else. Basically, I'm playing a hunt and peck game right now and waiting for parts. I told him take his time, and well, he's taking way too much time. Way too much time because I want all the parts back now. So I gotta tell him, like, speed it up, dude. My fault for telling him take your time. I didn't think he'd take 5 months. It does excellent work, as you could tell. Excellent powder coat. So, toodles. Stay tuned.